Right now, I'm about to give you a no BS, fully mapping out all the key levels that you need to know for Bitcoin and exactly what trades you can take for Bitcoin in the near future. If I had to bet, I'm probably thinking that it's going to go down, and I'm going to tell you exactly to which level it's going to go down to. Could be this one, and exactly how you can take a short to take advantage of the situation to make some money for yourself. At the same time, I'm also going to touch a little bit on the DXY because that is really key. And currently the DXY is sitting at a very important resistance. And you're going to want to know what implications this is going to have to the rest of the crypto market and the financial markets in general. So if you want to figure all of that out, make sure you stick around to the end. For now, let's start off with Bitcoin. Now, on the chart, I've already marked out the key levels that you need to know. At the moment, I believe that we are going to go downwards. Now, why do I think so? Firstly, daily market structure has been showing us that it is breaking lower and lower and lower. And at the moment, you would have thought that this level, after taking this out, it would have been the end of it. And it's true, Bitcoin actually did bounce like 1,500 points, but well, clearly it broke structure again. So in the video from 2 weeks ago, I told you guys, hey, if you get a confirmed break of structure, then yeah, you're gonna go back up, you're gonna go target 28K. That didn't happen. You got a price manipulation. Now I came up with this like picture to help a lot of you. And this is just a basic guide on how to confirm a break of structure on the daily chart or whatever chart it is, because a lot of you get confused. And you can see that over here, if you just get the wicks that go through, that is price manipulation. And it is very easy to manipulate the price in crypto. Just like over here, it doesn't matter how big the wick is, it is still a price manipulation. What you want to do is you want to have a body close above the candle in order to confirm a break of structure. Same thing here. This one is just a wick, so it's price manipulation. At this point, that is when you get the confirmed break of structure. And by the way, on that note, make sure you follow me on my Twitter to get like this kind of advice. I'm posting this a lot nowadays. So follow me on my Twitter at _theartofcrypto. So if you zoom in over here, you can see that I think a lot of people must have been caught in like, this was the confirmed break of structure, and it's not, right? That's price manipulation. And you might ask like, hey, AOC, when you say this, you can use this on any time frame. Well, yeah, how do you confirm that? It's just based on the time frame that you're looking at. Since we're looking on the daily time frame, and because we are identifying the target of 28K from the daily time frame, we're going to want to use the daily time frame as our confirmation time frame. So you only get a break of structure, confirmed break of structure, if you get a daily candle that closes above here with the body. If that makes sense and that helped you a lot, I want you to drop this video a like if you want to see more of this. Anyways, moving on. Now, because that was a false break of structure over there, price manipulation, you can see that price actually broke structure here on the daily chart with a confirmed body close below this daily swing low over here. This means that ultimately the market is looking to push lower in order to go into the next level of liquidity. In that case, that is going to be over here at $19,000. So in my opinion, we still keep going lower until that level is taken out. Then we can think about whether or not market structure is starting to shift and it's going to go towards the upside. Another piece of confluence you can add to this level right here is if you draw a fib from this swing high over here to that swing low, you can see that this level comes right at about the negative 0.618 level, which is a very important level that you want to look at to determine like highs and lows of the market. So let me just refine that a little bit just to make sure I'm getting it right. And you can see it comes right at the negative 0.5 to negative 0.618. So that's really important. That just adds a little bit of confluence to this already key level on the daily chart. So how do you confirm if you get a break of structure to the upside, right? The level to watch is going to be the level here at, let me just mark it out, 20400. Now, if you get a confirmed body close above this level, then yeah, you're going to go target the next level higher. And in my opinion, that level is going to be 21,300. And over here, you might start getting rejected for a bit. And then over here, you can start going for a long again because daily structure has already shifted and the levels of liquidity that price is going to target is probably going to be over here at 21,900 and ultimately 25,000 over here and 28,000 over here at the BTC CME futures gap. So that was the level that we've talked about before, but at the moment, those are just levels that you should mark down. And well, until you get that confirmation on the daily chart, it's just not going to happen. And you should just read market structure based on what it's telling you. And currently it's telling you that it wants to go downwards. So then you look for lower targets, right? At the moment, we're going to be targeting like 19,000, but there is a very good chance or like a decent chance that you're going to go all the way back to 17,600, back to the previous low. But for now, we're not going to talk about that because it's a little bit too far away. if when the time comes that we take out this level, yeah, I'm gonna make another video and talk to you guys about this. Yeah, but for now, these are the only levels that you need to pay attention to. Now, let me just go into the lower time frame real quick to see if there is a possible trade that I can give you guys. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to mark out this level right here at 2170. Once this level gets taken out, you don't even need a confirmed breaker structure. You want to start looking for shorts at this level. And I'm not going to tell you like exactly the target or like the entry or the stop loss or whatever, but start looking for shorts around this level because I don't want you guys to, oh, AOC told me to put my trade here, put my stop over here and, you know, target there. Oh, I know, you know, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just telling you guys what I think will happen based on experience that I have in the markets. So just treat it as such. Inform your own trade, you know. I'm giving you the areas of value. I'm giving you the areas that matter. So form your trade from there. Anyways, back to the daily chart. So now that you have your levels, so that short's probably going to look something like that. You know, you could reasonably expect like, I don't know, 5R or something. I don't know. Depends on, you know, how you're taking a trade. Anyways, that is the analysis on Bitcoin. Now let's dive into the DXY. Now, why does the DXY matter? In fact, I'm probably going to film a separate video for the DXY just so I don't want to make this video overly convoluted. So I'm going to film it separately and I'm going to link it at the end screen. So if you're watching this, I want you to just click on that video that's going to be recommended to you on the end screen and go watch that video on the DXY because it's super important to determining if there is going to be Bitcoin bull seasons or bear seasons. And the DXY is going to be a really telling indicator of when a Bitcoin bull season is about to start.